I'm farming now 41 years here. My dad is farming before me for 50 something years. His dad was farming here, they starting in 1856. I've had about 25 New Holland tractors, and some of them is, I think the oldest one is 32 or 33 years old. For 3 generations we count on Caltex and Delo 400 to protect our tractors.
We are here in Swaziland, South Africa to inspect an Iveco 4045 diesel engine from a New Holland 8066 tractor that has gone more than 16,000 hours of severe service, tilling, planting, and harvesting crops. The diesel fuel sulfur level is up to 500 parts per million, and the engine oil is Delo 400 multigrade SAE 15W40.
Well, you can see that if you're looking at the wear on the bearings, it looks actually very good. Yeah, it's getting copper through, but for 16,000 hours in the conditions that they are working at, extreme dust and heat conditions, it's very good. The oil does a very good job of protecting the bearings. We normally get this type of wear around about 10,000 hours.
These pistons reflect the excellent high-temperature deposit control of Delo 400. Light deposits on the crown land, free movement of all the rings, light deposits on the second land, and varnish on the third land enable the retention of combustion pressures and oil consumption control. Very light deposits on the piston underside enable heat transfer. Now we're inspecting the cylinder walls. The cross-hatching is intact. It's looking good. Delo 400 multigrade's done a good job.
Here we have the crankshaft of the main bearings. This crankcase has 16,000 hours on. We can see it as we're very smooth with no scrapes. Sometimes we have engines with 6,000 to 7,000 hours with a lot of more wear, scrapes and damage.
The Iveco 4045 engine is often overhauled at 8 to 10,000 hours. These main bearings have over 16,000 hours of operation and show excellent durability.
The tractor is so good, but it's the oil helping us to get that type of hours.
For proper timing and efficiency, wear control of critical valve train components is essential. I've inspected the cam lobes, the slider followers, the push rods, and the rocker arms. Delo 400 has done a great job helping to maintain the efficiency of this engine.
This is the balancer in the bottom half of the engine. Sometimes you get some damage or broken teeth or a lot of wear. This gears, Delo oil has protected it very good, no wear at all. It looks in a very good shape.
With the farming community in South Africa being real price sensitive, they tend to be penny wise but pound foolish. With this current engine, it tends to be overhauled at 8,000 hours, which costs up to 50,000 Rand. And this farmer, with using Delo 400 multigrade, he actually got 16,000 hours, and that saved him 50,000 Rand.
Having inspected the critical components of this diesel engine, we can state with confidence that the combination of the design and manufacture of the Iveco 4045 engine, the maintenance practices of H.J. Lind & Sons, and the performance of Delo 400 multigrade SAE 15W40 has enabled the customer to maximize engine durability and reliability.
I can't count on the rain, but I can count on the Delo 400. It put my tractors through. Delo 400 helps my tractors go further.